Yes. Yeah, on this one.
Yes.
Right. A bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. This court will indicate that given all of the circumstances in this case, I'm going to set no bond. Get him here. See what we can do. That warrant will issue immediately. Okay. Thank you. Court does call the case People versus Anthony Turner.
APA recommends Deputy Clerk People. Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of the Turner.
All hands, please.
Mr. Turner, would you please report your name?
Anthony Turner.
All right. Turner, it's this court's understanding that he is going to plead to an added count 2, guilty of attempted unlawful use of a motor vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor, that's my understanding.
That's correct.
That's a 1-year offense. Well, I don't understand this form. Why do I have 2 penalties and 2 charges?
Your Honor, I'm sorry, go ahead. The count comes with a mandatory notice that the sentencing court could opt to sentence him to a 90-day offense, but we can't actually have a plea under that. It's just the sentencing notice, and we're required to list it.
The statute was amended, I think, last year.
No, I got what the statute is. I'm just, the way this is laid out here is this. Okay. All right. So you're going to plead to attempted motor vehicle unlawful use. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $750 fine plus court costs. And that's an attempt. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
The court could also sentence you to a 90-day sentence or a $500 fine for plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
And you understand, sir, that upon your successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed.
Yes.
All right. I haven't had him sworn in. Let's have him sworn.
You raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do. Thank you.
Lower your hand and then say your name.
Anthony Turner.
All right. And sir, you do understand what I indicated in terms of what you're going to be pleading to in the maximum penalties.
Yes.
All right. You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Barr in the 14A2 District Court.
Yes.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
I understand.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights which are part of the trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce?
If you've ever wondered how boring code enforcement could sound thrilling, this is it. Mold, permits, and broken windows have never carried so much courtroom suspense. Someone cue the legal drama music.
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
April 2nd, 2024, at the location of 508 Pearl Street, City of Ypsilanti, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What'd you try to do or do regarding a Jeep Wrangler that makes you think that you're guilty?
Well, it was parked in my driveway the night before, and the doors were open. The keys were on the seat, and I just took off with it the next morning. It was left there overnight, and I took off with it the next morning.
You were gonna bring it back though, correct?
Yeah, I was. It was at my residence, and it was just parked in my driveway. I had every intention on bringing
So the doors were open, keys were in it. You just took off for a ride. You were going to bring it back.
yeah, well, I have a condition, and I just thought that like a moment without strenuous exercise would be like sufficient enough for myself. I have glass in my esophagus,
Got it. Okay.
and I wanted to go and get breakfast.
Oh, okay. So now I see. So you were attempting to leave, but you were going to bring it back. Did you bring it back?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. But you didn't have permission of the owner of that vehicle or the person who had proper custody of the vehicle to use that vehicle.
No.
All right. All right. I think I got everything. Sir, I do have to advise you that if between the time I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, that if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that, sir?
I understand.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
Your Honor, I wouldn't consider it that, but he is being admitted to the mental health treatment court, so I guess I would just add that for the record.
He's being what?
Admitted to the mental health treatment court.
And I believe the court has the paperwork on that as well, Your Honor.
Is that part of this agreement?
It's not really part of the agreement, but I just.
Your Honor, we did that outside of that. He actually asked me about mental health court, and like the second time I visited with him. So he was already referred and put into it by the time the plea. So I don't believe the plea is contingent on it, but he is voluntarily participating in mental health court.
Sure.
Got it. Okay. All right, very good. And have I complied with the court ruling? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
The people are satisfied.
You have, Your Honor.
The court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed.
Your Honor, can we address bond?
Sure.
Your Honor, my client has actually done at least 1 or 2 of the mental health court sessions already. Is that correct, Mr. Turner?
Yes.
He is asking to be released. He has the paperwork regarding who he needs to contact in mental health court. Can he be released prior to sentencing?
Is this the only thing holding him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any response from the people?
I'll leave it in the court's discretion.
You don't have a distinction between in custody and out custody dates, or you just have one?
No, I haven't.
You got it.
Gotta come back.
Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered. I will bond will be reduced. $5,000 personal recognizance bond with other conditions remaining in effect. So an out of sentence custody date would be sentencing date.
August 27th at 10 a.m.
August 27th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Barr. All right, Mr. Turner,
Yes, sir.
taking a chance on you. You better show up.
I got you, man.
You got it?
I got you.
Okay.
I got
Because if you
you.
don't show up, I got to come out and find you myself.
All right.
You don't want me rolling up on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right, you're good. All right, take care. Court calls the case, People versus Cartier Drains.
Lord Yaki, Assistant Public Defender. Your Honor, may we approach?
Really?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come on. Why?
You can feel the judge's exhaustion radiate. She's not mad, just disappointed, like a mom catching both sides lying about who really broke the house.
All right. The defendant is not here. We've had a bench conference case. I had, so that the record is clear, I specifically directed that this individual appear in person. Counsel indicates to me that she's been in contact with him. He, for whatever reason, can't find a ride. Maybe should have thought about that before he started acting the way he did. But notwithstanding that, I'll issue the bench warrant. Bond is set in the amount of $25,000 cash surety. I will not issue that warrant until the 14th of August.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Douglas, she was telling me about how to take care of hair. She was, she was explaining. Tell her I don't have it. I don't have any, but I knew. Court calls the case, People versus Johnny Walker.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Walker, Your Honor.
Julie Walker.
Judge, I'm asking for an adjournment. We need some discovery in this matter, specifically video, which I think we should hopefully have before the next PCC. And then I was just hoping to address a bond when you're ready.
Right. Well, we kind of addressed it yesterday. And he has permission to leave. This is a veterans treatment type of program.
That's my understanding, Judge, correct?
Oh, that's right. Okay. So here's our problem. I agreed to that yesterday so that he could get out in treatment. It sounded like a good program for him out in California. Problem is that when I signed the order in that case, the jail then informed me he has 3 FOC holds out of Muskegon.
There was an email sent this morning. Did you see that email? That Muskegon said they were not coming to get him on the FOC, and it was an advise and release. I know
You have that?
court staff was, I can approach if you'd like me to. I can pull it up on my phone.
Because the last indication we got was that they verbally told us Muskegon was coming to get him.
Fair enough. Ms. Perrine forwarded the email to me this morning, Your Honor. I believe the court had been CC'd on it, so I didn't print out a copy, but
That's okay. Here's my position. I don't have a problem signing off on for him to go. My position hasn't changed on it. The problem was going to be that he wouldn't have gone to California for treatment. He would have gone to Muskegon.
yeah, and that doesn't seem to be.
People have been lost there for years. No, I'm kidding.
That's submarine.
Muskegon's agreed.
That's correct. Yeah, one payment.
So they're unable to pick him up. Okay, so they won't come down and get you.
Fun.
This is virtually an identical order to the other one.
Yeah, my order was the stipend order I submitted this morning, Judge, was just he has a personal bond already in the felony case. So it was just to give him the ability to leave the state of Michigan.
Leave the state. Got it. Okay. Just in order consistent with that. Got it. Okay. That's fantastic on that. Then what I'll do, I'll adjourn this. Remind me, Mr. Walker, remind my staff as to what we adjourned your other case to.
September.
September.
A specific date.
I can't remember specific date.
Was 17th, right? Because we were going to let you get out there. Hopefully you get on Zoom and then we could continue on with the proceedings. Now I remember. So why don't I just put this the date after? I'll adjourn this to the 18th. 9 a.m. Bond will allocate
Time, okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna be 6 a.m. Chicago.
His fiance is in here.
She was, Judge.
Was she?
Earlier, yeah.
She waited all day yesterday for her to get out. She must like you or something. I don't know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Court calls case People versus Dustin Duncan.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Duncan. Mr. Duncan, can you unmute yourself and say your name for the court?
Oh, there you go. Dustin Duncan. And I see how.
When the judge says stop, you stop. That's not just courtroom etiquette, it's survival instinct. You can almost hear the collective inhale as everyone braces for the next explosion.
Hello, Michigan.
She needed to be able to hear you better.
Why is she out?
She's writing down every word you say.
But see, it's
Right,
like,
Kristen?
why? Look at together.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Are you trying to text him?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. I know he was there.
Yeah.
I apologize.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't care.
I do. I
You don't care that my day has now come to a screeching halt.
know. I do, actually.
And it's usually Miss Akinroli that the case does that. But
Today,
now
it's me.
you're following in her footsteps.
I know. Your Honor, I was going to request an adjourn. Oh, and he's there. I was going to.
I had faith that he'd appear.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did too, even though my voice didn't show it.
Mr. Duncan, can you state your name, please?
Dustin Duncan.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I am, this is the first PCC. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. Mr. Duncan, I'll follow up with you. I talked with the prosecutor this morning about your options, so I'll follow up with you about what you want the next step to be in your case, okay?
Okay.
All right. So what I'll do is I'll adjourn this to August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Duncan.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Jeffrey Williams.
All this.
Matthew Nassar, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Jeffrey Williams. Jeffrey, can you please state your name for the judge?
Jeffrey Williams.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Can I just bond officer? Can we just bond over me and see what they do to it? Because I don't want to be wasting time just sitting here.
Okay.
And I know
Is he,
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, I didn't want to interrupt the conversation, but is he any closer to getting to treatment? Or I'll sign the stipulation.
Okay.
Um,
I'm currently waiting to get to the assessment for drug treatment court, and that's the first thing they're going to do for me before the drug treatment court is sitting treatment.
Okay, all right. And I would just say that Mr. Williams has been appearing before me for some period of time over the years. He needs treatment.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
He actually has been through treatment, and I'll say this on his behalf. When he kind of gets through it and he's out, he's good. It's just when he slips back into that bad world, then things start going haywire for you, right?
Yes, sir.
We're hopeful history doesn't repeat itself. we can move forward. And
Yeah, well, I hope so too. So this is 14B. Do we have a time frame as to how they're?
Your Honor, I made a request to council that since I think Mr. Williams does not yet have an inpatient bed, waiting for him that he contacts, and I can as well contact Mr. Reyes and ask you to interview in the jail ASAP before he even goes out to a bed so that it can be done quickly.
thank you.
So let's do this. I just August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. I just don't want to put it out too far.
Thank you.
Track of it. So we'll go out to that date. And then let's see where we can get. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Williams, take care. Court does call the case People versus Thomas Ellis.
And Assistant Public Defender, Janelle Carrier, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Thomas Ellis. Mr. Ellis, state your name for the record.
Thomas Ellis.
Judge, I do have a green sheet. We're requesting an adjournment in this matter. There's some information that I just provided to the people today, so I think 2 weeks should be fine, Your Honor.
How long?
2 weeks, I think, should be fine.
Just come back and ask for more drink. That's how you are.
I know. I'm
All right.
sorry, Judge. I'll do better.
No, you won't. August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're gonna promise me I'll do better, but I know that, Benny. Gotcha. Court does call the case People versus Keon Ford.
Court, when you are present, please state your name for the court.
Keon Ford. Thank you, sir.
And we are asking for an adjournment of this matter, Your Honor. I've been in touch with the prosecutor regarding my questions and concerns, and he's going to work with me to hopefully get it resolved.
Try to.
Yes.
All right. Let's set you out to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
I'll call you like I did before. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Marcus Jones.
For the judge, Andrew Childers, appearing on behalf of you. George Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Marcus Jones. Mr. Jones, please state your name for the record.
Marcus Jones.
Thank you, Judge. I did have a chance to talk to Mr. Jones and Mr. Childers about this briefly. Mr. Jones had a few more questions about the plea offer in this file. If we could go out just a week or two, I think we have a resolution.
Probable cause conference, then August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Can I say something?
Can you say something? Sure.
Y'all need a cell phone. Do y'all have a cell phone? Because I was just calling and calling and calling this morning because I knew I was going to be late. But like trying to get in touch with y'all was like trying to get in touch with somebody that don't want to be found by their mama.
Just call me.
Like,
Who are you telling? I need a cell phone?
Somebody need a phone.
3.
Somebody need a phone.
I just don't give you the number.
But then, man, dog, I thought I
see, you're like that child mama don't want to find.
Man, bro, I had to turn into a track star this morning. You ever seen Peter Parker when he was running for the bus? Yeah, man. Yeah.
That was you this morning?
That was me this morning, bro, with the bag in my hand and everything.
Yeah, was that down Washington?
Huh?
Were you coming down Washington at some point?
That was me.
That was you?
That was me.
Oh.
That was me.
You were going fast.
Yep.
I'll give you my number. Okay.
All right.
I think I am not giving you my cell phone number.
Hey, I'm just
letting you know.
You're a judge. I will want it.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm just there. I defend myself.
So I think, let's see. Who will answer? Give it, Mansour, give him your number.
Yeah. Good idea. Good idea.
I'm sure Mr. Feaster will find a number for you.
I will.
Okay?
Yeah.
But I'm just so happy you got here.
Hopefully it ain't 773-9311.
What's that?
Oh, hey, she got it. So no, I'm messing with you, bro.
Okay. That's beautiful that you and Cannon shared that moment.
I didn't get it.
I didn't either. There's no telling.
All right, you have a nice day.
Okay, you do the same. Take care.
Thank you, Judge.
Man, you weren't even giving up your phone number. What? Well, I'm gonna let the powers that be know he wouldn't cover his client. Just Time was just looking for somebody to call. I'm just gonna say. You know, when he said, "Can I say so?" I was just hoping. I thought it would be just something. Didn't know it was going to be all that. Court calls the case People versus Zion Jones.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Ready, Judge. Torture Officer, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Zion Jones, who is not present, but I know where he is. If I may.
Hey, you want to share that with the rest of us?
Yes, Judge. I got a text message from our office this morning.
If he's on a bus, I don't want to hear.
Not on a bus.
All right.
So apparently he bonded out of jail yesterday, went to work. He works on the line and he injured his leg. He's at St. Joe's Hospital. So we asked him to get proof of his hospital visit, and we're asking for a brief adjournment so he can come next week or the week after, whenever the court's pleasure is. But he's at the hospital.
So he got out of jail, went to work, hurt his leg, and now at the hospital.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Zender, why'd you wave your head like? Wow.
And I called him to verify. He answered. I said, "I'm at the hospital. I'm getting a letter. I'll bring it when I leave." So.
Trying to request a 48-hour bench warrant for the defendant's failure to appear. I would just like to put on
Why would we do that?
to give him time.
He has a whole story.
I will take Mr. Feaster at his word. I trust.
Okay, then.
I would also just represent, similar to the co-defendant, I am preparing an amended complaint with the added count of assault with intent to commit robbery while armed. And
This was the one that you're trying to up the bond on, and
that is correct, Your Honor.
Feaster?
So, Judge, I would ask that the court not up his bond until that is actually filed.
I'm not gonna up his bond at this time, because I need the amended complaint. I don't have that. But
And I will forward the court and the cook the hospital letter as soon as I receive it this afternoon, Your Honor.
August 14th, I'm good, 1 week.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll adjourn it out based on that story you gave me.
Thank you so much. And I will get the proof.
And if he doesn't show up,
I understand.
I'm gonna issue a bench warrant and take you in.
No, I don't understand that.
No, that's the way it works.
I will.
You want me to go with the story? That's how it's
You
gonna
know
work.
what? You can issue the bench warrant today, then, Judge. I don't want my freedom tied to his. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Court calls the case People versus Olin Thurman.
Alan Zend on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerps on behalf of Mr. Thurman, who's approaching. Can you please state your name for the record?
Olin Thurman.
Your Honor, can we briefly approach?
Fine.